In a tragic incident reported at Baina Beach on Monday, a portion of a roof collapsed, trapping 2 children in the process. The children were, however, rescued by the people. The incident was reported at around 10 on Monday morning when the roof slab of the old Marina bar, which had become weak, came crashing down, trapping 2 minor children, namely Ajay Savnoor, aged 10 years, and Saroja Savnoor, aged 1.5 years, underneath. The locals, along with Drishti lifeguards, rushed to the site and rescued the duo and sent them for medical treatment to Cottage Hospital, Chikalim. The manager of Drishti, Praveen Chetri, informed how the 2 trapped kids were rescued.
We heard a noise over here saying that the structure has gone down, and we all were there in our office. So our team immediately यहाँ आई. आने के बाद we saw that the structure has come down. छुप के देखने से we could make it out that there were 2 children inside. So उसको by the help of local people we managed to lift the structure by putting the beam.
Upon verifying the facts, it was revealed to Goa 365 that these structures had become very weak, and thus the party concerned had asked for permission for repairs, which the municipal authorities refused. Presently, the site was used by Drishti Lifeguards Company for manufacturing and storing of watchtowers, etc. The fire tenders rushed to the site and started search and rescue operations. However, they did not find any more persons trapped under the debris. While raising his concern over the existence of old structures, the fire officer of Vasco Fire Services, however, gave more details of the incident.
See, when we received the call, the 108 ambulance had called the fire department, okay, and then we immediately came here on the spot. That time 2 of these boys, I think so, were shifted by the ambulance, okay. Then we did our search and rescue operation, wherein we used the hydraulic tools, the spreader, as you will have seen, the cutters, okay. We cut the rods. Okay, then we use the spreader to see if anyone is trapped behind. These municipalities at least should maybe do the survey and find out which is whether these are safe. Okay, what we heard is that some people were sleeping on top of the slab. God forbid if it happened in the night, I think so that could be a tragedy.
The father of the victims, who was not present at home at the time of the incident, gave us more details.
आपका बेटा कौन सा? ये बड़ा वाला. कितना
दोनों बच्चा आपका ही है ना?
10 साल का. क्या हुआ, कुछ पता है किसी ने कैसा हुआ?
नहीं, वो लोग नीचे खेल रहा था, वो पहला इतना सा थोड़ा टेला गिरा बोलता है, बाद में ऊपर से पटाख से उन लोग को ऊपर गिरा.
अभी डॉक्टर क्या बोला, क्या
कुछ नहीं बताया, एक्सरे निकाला.
आप लोग किधर रहते हैं?
घाटे बहने में रहता है, मैं काम पे गया था. मेरे को मालूम नहीं था, मेरा बीवी ने कि पता है ऐसा हुआ.
The facts to be considered are that there exist many such structures in Port Town which have been declared unsafe by the Mormugao municipal officials. However, no action has been taken, and thus we see this kind of incidents in which poor and innocent people suffer.